So we've arrived at the Bothy and there's 15 other people here with us today.
Very fuel efficient, so you have to bring like gas canisters. Out.
Yeah, you can just put your mesh in there and then.
Wide in the UK, innit?
Yeah.
What's it like getting in?
Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Rush Outdoors. Got a 2-night adventure planned. Van camp tonight, wild camp tomorrow. So I've just stopped off here in Bothy, Coed. Bothy Coed, as most people know it as. Have a bit of a look around and then head to the parking spot, ready to meet up with a few familiar faces. Let's go and have some fun. Oh, we're at the van camp spot for the night. Just met up with one of the crew, which I wasn't expecting, but it's nice to see him. I've seen him for a while. There's me Norris the Nissan. I still haven't named him. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. With the and the surrounding tops. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Little shabad. But that is breathtaking, fair play. Little bit of a mess at the minute. Just chucked everything in for now while I was when I got in from work. A couple of new bits and pieces added. I'll put a shelf up there eventually, I think. And then the TV DVD combi. Good morning. So we're all doing our own little things today. We've had a good van camp. I'm not going to throw too much of the van camp or this walking, so I'm going up Old Shabad. And then we've got a wild camp planned for this evening, so the majority of the video will be about the wild camp. It's just beautiful by here. So behind this tree you've got Coed Y Brenin, Penhros, Penhros, and you've got Coed Y Brenin across the Coed David. And tonight's wild camp is below Coed Y Brenin. Hello and welcome back. So initially the plan for tonight was to do a wild camp just below Coed Y Brenin, but the weather is turning vile. The wind picked up, the clouds are rolling in, so we're going to make our way to Penhros this half Bothy. Right, let's go and have an adventure. Welcome back. So the original plan for tonight was to do a wild camp about 570 meters above sea level at the lake below Coed Y Brenin, but the wind there was horrific, and we've all been doing activities today, so plan B, Bothy. Well, I don't know where Mark and Andy have gone to park. They didn't need to go all the way down. This is the shortest route in, only a 5-10 minute walk. I think they just wanted to get away without carrying any of the fuel in. So there's a couple of places to park, couple of little lay-bys there. And then you just come up and you literally take the path, marked footpath, and then you got this little grassy bit here, and then you go on to decent track. So once you come out the top of that little path, you pick this track up now, forest track. It's only about 5 minutes. You can see quite a bit of smoke coming out the chimney already through the woods. So there's somebody there. Won't be a night on my own tonight. Although I don't know where Andy and Mark have got to. So we literally turn off by here and you're there. Spot on.
These are good half an hour. Look at that, that's improved fucking dough right there, baby.
So we've arrived at the Bothy, and there's 15 other people here with us three, making 18. Absolutely rammed. But we'll make the most of it, I think. Might end up sleeping in the van after all. So Heathen, I'll give that a 7 out of 10. The hazy eye. So the Aoraki by a vocation, I'll give that a 5 out of 10. It's not very nice.
Were you on best game? Because Martin was watching it.
Those photos are fucking great today.
They're very fuel efficient, so you have to bring like gas canisters. Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, you can just put your mesh in there and then just close the lid.
The state of that floor.
Will you watch where you fucking go?
Oh, shut up, you whinging bastard.
No, no, go for it.
That'd be nice for the... No, not
Really?
from the table.
You photo it or
round.
videoing?
Oh yeah, you can make it pattern.
Oh yeah. So basically, hang on. Oh, it's gone out. I was gonna write fuck you, but there we are. Let's go. Okay.
Gotta go
Are
fast.
you ready?
I can't be trusted with fire, me. I'm a
Faster, gotta go really
pyromaniac.
fast. Too slow, faster.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Something to
What's it like getting in? Danny, through that as well.
Danny,
This is the best thing ever, man.
you got it. The Monopoly, but Monopoly.
So they're all outside now. This was not the Bothy experience we were expecting at all. Absolutely rammed. And the Bothy is in a complete mess from when I remember last came. Bit gutting really to see it in this state. I hope they all clean it up tomorrow. So I don't know if you can see much from the camera now because of the lighting situation. But we're going back to the vans to sleep in the vans. It's late at night. The Bothy is rammed and they're going to be partying till silly o'clock. Oh, there you go. And we're not up for that now. So we're going back to the vans. We're going to sleep in the vans. The video isn't going to be the best one that I've had so far. It's going to be pretty poor, to be honest, but I'll still stick it out so that you can see warts and all that malarkey. But yeah, right, back to the vans. So I'm just heading back down the public path way. Well, I say public path, you know. Right, way access path. There's a light in the distance there. You can just make it out. That's up towards the mountain of Rob Elvauer. Somebody must be camping or hiking late at night. The light's gone off now. Maybe it's aliens. Nah, I don't know. Right, I'm almost back on my van. But there was no way I could have slept there tonight. They're all still partying. There's not going to be much sleeping till early hours there at all. So go back there. Oh, the lights come back on now. Apologies if you don't think the quality of the videos up to much this time. I've tried to mix it up this weekend after a crappy week. So there's been van camping, hiking, not quite a Bothy state, but all the same. It's not that cold now either, it's just the wind's picked up, which is what stopped us from camping. We're in a forest, so it's sheltered and it's still picked up. Alright, I'm wittering on, I'm going. Speak to you later. Love you all. So I'm back at the van. All the lads are back at their vans as well. Yeah, it was just too chaotic at that Bothy tonight. Good fun, we still had good fun, but wasn't room for any of us to sleep there, so it made sense for us to come back to the vans. Anyway, good night.